Have an old Fujitsu Livebook A series laptop which is having issue with overheating. The main cause is dirt here, and that dirt we're gonna try to remove here from the fan and from around that area. To do so, you need to unscrew all this. Okay, once unscrewed, to remove the plastic gently so you don't break it. And as you can see, there is dirt. Probably there is a lot of build-up of dirt here at the end of the fan. To remove this, you will need to unscrew this. There's another one over here, and these two. I forgot the main one. There is this one. Underneath it's your processor, so you will need to remove this heatsink of processor and of graphic card. So you need to remove a whole thing. To remove this, you need to unscrew these 4 screws, 5, 6. Once unscrewed, you can just lift it up. You will need to disconnect the fan. If you're already here, you can just change the thermal paste, which previously you need to buy. Now we can break it here and see what do we have. Okay. To enter in, you will need to unscrew the 3 screws of the fan. You can just gently lift it, and then you will seal all the buildup that is inside. Obviously we need to clean this. This is the main cause for your laptop to overheat. I did clean it as much as I could. That is a part of it. I did clean it with proper alcohol. That's how it is now. All I need to do is put this back. Screw the screws where they belong. Okay, once the screws are back, usually you would need to change this thermal paste, but this is for the video only. You want to put it back where it belongs. Important is to connect the fan back at the place. Okay, fan is connected. You would need to screw back everything where it was. The last screw. Make sure you return everything where it belongs. The connector is done. Gently put this back. Making sure it cracks everywhere. Return the remaining screws and you're good to go.